Hello everyone! In our school, we celebrate Teachers' Day every year. We organize cultural programs and give teachers gifts to show them how much we love and respect them. Our teachers work very hard throughout the year. They teach us many things and help us become better human beings. So it's only right that we respect them. Now, some of you may wonder, what does respecting your parents and teachers look like? Well, let me tell you. Once upon a time, there was a young man who lived with his mother. The young man was very naughty. He would often misbehave and make his mother very upset. One day, he came home very late at night. His mother was very worried and scolded him. The young man got very angry and shouted back at his mother. "How dare you scold me? I am your son. You should be grateful that I even respect you." Saying this, he stormed out of the house. As he was walking, he saw an old woman sitting on a nearby bench. The young man went up to her and said, "Ma'am, can I have some money? I need to buy some food." The old woman asked, "Why don't you go home and ask your mother for money?" The young man replied, "I don't want to go home. My mother scolds me a lot these days." The old woman said, "You should always respect your parents, no matter how much you love them. Now go home and apologize to your mother." The young man realized his mistake and immediately went to his mother and apologized. His mother was very happy and gave him some money for food. The next day, the young man went to the same old woman and said, "Yesterday I did not have the money to buy food, so I came to you. But today I have some money. Can I buy you some food or maybe get you something nice from the store?" The old woman smiled and said, "You are such a nice young man. I am very proud of you." The young man said, "It's all because of you, ma'am. You taught me how to respect my parents. So, friends, always remember to respect your parents and teachers. They are the ones who help you become the best version of yourself." Now, I'd like to tell you another story about respecting your parents and teachers. Once upon a time, in a village, there was a young boy who hated studying. He would skip school and play video games all day. One day, his father caught him playing video games and took him out of the house. "You are a lazy boy. If you don't start studying, I will take away your console." The boy started crying and said, "But Dad, I don't want to study. All my friends have a console. I want to play with them." His father said, "Your studies are more important than your console. If you want to buy a new console in the future, you will have to earn money. And if you want to do that, you will need a good education." The boy thought for a moment and then said, "Okay, Dad, I promise I won't play video games again and I will study hard." His father was very happy and gave him a big hug. So, my dear students, always listen to your parents and teachers. They only want the best for you. That's all for today. See you next time.